Hello dear children, good morning. Today for class 6 grammar, we'll be talking about kinds of adverbs. In your last lesson, you have already learned about adverbs. Now, when we talk about kinds of adverbs, there are different kinds of adverbs. Let us talk about the first one, adverbs of manner. It tells us how actions take place. They answer the question how. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Most adverbs of manners like openly, politely, loudly, quietly and quickly end in ly. There are some exceptions and these are well, well, hard and fast. They do not end with ly but still they are adverbs of manner. Let us take an example. Harish coughed loudly to attract Mohit's attention. So here, cough is the main verb. And when we ask the question how did Harish cough? So he coughed loudly. Mala sings well. So how does Mala sing? So the answer to that is well. Now the next adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where an action take place. Now these answers the question where. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Let us take one example. I looked everywhere for the book. Now here we are asking the question where. Where did we look? So everywhere. I can't find the book anywhere. The next example is I had kept it on the table outside. So where had I kept? I had kept outside. Now most common adverbs of place also function as prepositions because preposition also shows position or place. So about, across, along, around, behind, by, down, in, off, on, over, round, through, under and up. These are some of the words that are used. Some adverbs of places ending in words, that is words words or ways like backwards, northwards, forwards, southwards, downwards, eastwards, upwards, westwards, inwards, homewards, outwards, onwards and sideways. These are the words that are used to express movement in a particular direction. For example, crab walk sideways. The plane flew northwards and then swung eastwards. So this shows a particular direction. Now let us move on to the third adverb, that is adverb of time. Now the name itself tells us that when an action takes place and also for how long and how often it takes place. So in short, they answer to the question when. So when adverbs are usually placed at the end of the sentence. For example, we won the match yesterday. So when did we win the match? We won the match yesterday. I will eat later. So when will I eat? Later. Some common adverbs of time are today, yesterday, later, now, last year. Now these all tells us when, that is it signifies the time. All day, not long, for a while, since, last year. Now these are the words that are telling us about how long. Means I worked all day. They also tell us about the duration. Now the words like sometimes, frequently, never, often, yearly. These are the words that tells us about how often. I visit the temple frequently or I never eat pasta. So that is how frequent or how often. Now, there are another kind of adverbs also known as adverbs of frequency that express the exact number of times an action usually takes place or when it has happened. It is placed at the end of the sentence. For example, I went to see that movie twice. मैंने वो मूवी देखी लेकिन कितनी बार. So frequency means that asks the question how many times. Frequency means how many times. I go to Granny's house once a week. So when we answer the questions like once a week, twice a week, once in a month or once a fortnight, these are all adverbs of frequency. The next kind of adverb is adverbs of degree. Now, these tell us the exact and the intensity of an action. Means how much. When we say how much. So, some common adverbs of degree are almost. I had almost finished the project. Nearly. Quite. Just. To. Here to is TOO2. Enough, hardly, scarcely, very, and extremely. I am feeling extremely cold. So that shows the intensity. It says I am feeling cold. But how much? So the intensity is extremely. This is just the book I want. I have nearly finished my dinner. So these are some of the examples. Now, WH words like who, what, where, when, why and how are called interrogative adverbs. Now, they are mostly placed at the beginning of a question. For example, why didn't you come yesterday? Where are my socks? How much money do you want? When does the program start? Now, here, please note that how can be used in different ways. For example, how do you start the car? Now here how means in what way. How tall are you? Now this is used with an adjective. How many students are present today? So here it is used with much and many. How quickly can you read this? So it can be used, how can be used with other adverbs also. So quickly is an adverb. So here how is used along with the adverb. So this was all about the kinds of adverbs. Hope you have understood the kinds of adverbs. Please refer the notes once again and then try to solve the given worksheet. Have a good day. Thank you.